Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do another melting basket. What I have learned is I pull from my melting basket, and then kind of as time goes on, I feel myself picking through things. I keep tossing things aside, and I'm like, okay, if I keep tossing it aside, maybe it needs to go back in its spot, and then I'll pull it out at a different time. So I went ahead and I kind of looked through. I usually throw away my empties after my empties video, and then I put things back that are half empty, or I decide if I'm going to keep melting through it, maybe try to finish it. Do I want to finish it yet, or do I want to hang on to it for a later date? What is the deal? What I did is I went ahead and I grabbed things that I realized in my last basket I didn't have a lot of bakery stuff. So I went ahead and I grabbed some more bakery. I grabbed some other things that I was kind of wanting to warm. So I still have a full basket in my office area. So I need to kind of sort through that and figure out what I don't want to warm and what not. So anyways, let's get into this. So I am getting through mini melters quite well. So I wanted to keep that trend going. So the first thing I grabbed is Rose Girl's Campfire Marshmallows. I really want to mix with this and try some different blends with Campfire Marshmallows. I really like the smell of the Campfire marshmallow. It's kind of creamy, so I feel like it'll be good. I'm gonna keep working through this No Worries potion pack. Oh my gosh, mini melter. This is Spearmint Peppermint and Eucalyptus. I think I'm gonna try this in my kitchen, maybe after cooking or something, because I feel like the throw wasn't great on that. So I'm gonna try that one again. I have this really old potion pack of ginger ale. I can't remember what I was going to use this for. Maybe I just pulled it out because I was like, oh, let's use the ginger ale. I have no idea. Brown sugar. So I grabbed brown sugar out because I wanted to mix it with that Rainbow Melts. What is it called? Whip It. It's like the what is it, pineapple chunks with coconut cream or something, sweet coconut cream. And it was just, the coconut was a little bit too much, so I'm thinking maybe some brown sugar with that. This is a really old potion pack as well. I need to kind of work through those because I don't want them to go off on me. I did grab Zen because I was loving Zen last week multiple times, so I grabbed that. You know what, it's so weird when I smell Zen though by itself. Oh man, it smells weird. Like when it's mixed, it smells amazing, but I don't know that I like Zen just by itself, which is so weird because it smelled so good, but I guess maybe it's the blends. I don't know. Daydreamer, I can't remember what this is a mix of. I'm gonna have to look it up. But Daydreamer, I've had this chunk bag for a while. This is a really good, I believe it's like a spa. Yeah, some sort of spa fresh scent. I remember warming this before and I really enjoyed it. So far I said, yeah, I'm gonna grab more bakery, and so far there's no bakery yet, but we're getting there. So I grabbed So White. Somebody talked about this one, and maybe I saw it in the Facebook page or something, but mixing So White, which is the Lush type. I think it's apple and something else. I should know, but I haven't had a So White bath bomb in a long time. I'm gonna mix it with raspberry sauce. This raspberry sauce is actually really good. I've kind of held on to this, and honestly, this is so good. I mixed it with a blend the other day, and I was like, yes. I grabbed Wild Aloha, which is wild Madagascar vanilla, coconut water, coconut bamboo, and vetiver. This is from Empire Alchemy. I have a huge bag of this. So I wanted something summery, and this kind of fit the bill. It does have coconut in it, but it's not super sweet. So for some reason, sweet coconut is really just, I think it was Susan. I think Susan mentioned Blackberry with Zen. Was that, hopefully that, I hope that was you. If you're watching, I'm sorry if it was somebody else. But Blackberry and Zen, I think, is what she said to try blending together. So I was like, let's try it. All right, so a few bags. I wanted to grab some Teddy Bees. I've warmed this before, Teakwood Tango. This is a great bedroom blend. So this is mahogany teakwood, dried driftwood vetiver and apple mango tango type. I remember warming that before, really liked it. This one is I Love You to the Moon and Back. This is sweet and fresh lavender, green apple, roses, jasmine, oak musk, and vanilla. I grabbed this from L3 Waxy Wonders. This is black vetiver, cafe Snickers, latte, let them eat cake. That one smelled like a bakery, somewhat of a bakery to me. Oh, here's the one that really like kicked me into like food scents. So this is kitchen sink cookies. This is gooey caramel, chocolate vanilla cookies, pretzels, and sea salt. This one I opened and I was like, oh my gosh, why have I not? Oh my gosh, why did I not pull this one out before? This could be possibly one of my favorite cookie scents if this warms the way it's smelling in here. Oh man, that smells freaking delicious. Like, you know, Monster Cookies, one of my favorite cookie scents. And then I have another cookie scent out there that I really like, but that might just steal the spot. Full Sea Dream. So there's the scent notes. I just have a little bit of that left. I've already warmed that one previously. I grabbed some cookie butter, which I just have half a waffle in. My friend Candy sent me a bunch. Well, I consider it a bunch, considering this is a hot commodity. Picture window tree. She also sent me a pie slice in, or a little cut of a pie slice in Mermaid Zen. This smells amazing. Oh, here's some more bakery. All right, now we're getting to the bakery somewhat. She sent me some jelly donut carbs. Some pink lavender Peeps cake. This one might be a little bit too sweet for me. Like I don't know if I love that lavender in there. It might be okay. It does smell pretty though. From Simo, I grabbed strawberry jam and vanilla sugar cookie dough. This one smells really good. That was more on the bakery side. I grabbed sugared shortbread and marshmallow violet overpour. I don't know what that means. This is the Satin Susie Steampunk cupcakes. I always love a good violet scent, so for me that's like a soothing, relaxing scent. I grabbed a White Witch from Super Tarts. I figured I could start pulling my Wax Wednesday wax. I like to let stuff cure. I always do. I don't know. Oh, here's that Whippet. I knew I had. Is that Whippet? Yeah. Okay. Here's the Whippet that I'm gonna mix with the brown sugar. So it's frozen pineapple chunks and sweet coconut milk. Snickers coffee in the kitchen and hazelnut cream from Sassy Girl Aroma. This one, I've been kind of on the fence about coffee, so I wanted something that was more or way bakery. So yeah, that one smells really good. I think I can hang with that one. So I did get some more Insidious in so I can get rid of this clam that's starting to look really, really bad, but it still smells amazing. I just warmed it, I think in like maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Not my last warm reviews, but maybe the one before. Grab these other 2 bags. I have 1 square of Wake Up Cafe in there. That is pumpkin pecan waffle latte, sugar cookie dough, Cookie Monster Twinkies birthday. Then I grabbed some just plain old Salty Sea Air. I think I'm gonna try to mix. I wanna mix with Salty Sea Air. That bag is pretty old too, so. I grabbed Yummy from Rainbow Melts. This is creamy zucchini bread, sugar cookies, frosted birthday cake. I have some clams here from various vendors. So I grabbed the Cloud Maze, which is, I believe is like a clean scent, and I have the scent description here. Oh yeah, here we go. Can I even read it? Candied marshmallow clouds. Is that what it's supposed to be? Candied marshmallow clouds, lavender cotton candy, sweet, dreamy lullabies. I thought this would be a good relaxing scent. Lord knows we all need some relaxation. Coconut Cabana linen. I haven't tried that. Cedar and lavender, which I have not tried. This one smelled like a manly scent. I thought my husband would like that one for nighttime. Beach Please. I try to use some of these Walmart waxes so I can kind of see, you know, if I like them. Darth, which is looking a little rugged. This is the Omen and Rosemary Mint. This one smells really good on warm, but on cold it kind of has a kind of a unique smell, but on warm it goes really good. But I love that dark wax. Tahiti Shores from Sensationals. Whoa, I can't even, there's barely any scent to that. I know when I put it in the warmer, it will probably warm like crazy, but because usually Walmart wax sometimes is no joke. Like, you got to be careful with that stuff or you will blow your nose out. All right, so a few scent shots, sorry. Catnap from Empire Alchemy. I picked a lot of lavender. Geez. Airy Pressed White Linen, Sea Salt, Twilight Type, Lavender, and Tonka Bean. I grabbed Zephyr by the Sea, Fresh Clean Air, Baby's Breath, Clover, Sea Salt, and Lilac. From Sugar and Spice, I grabbed some Love Spell Warm Vanilla Sugar. Snuggle Warm Vanilla Sugar. Grabbed a lot of warm vanilla sugar. Snuggle and Rain Barrel. This is when you could do customs. I remember I was obsessed with Rain. Ooh, that one's actually really good. Alright, then I grabbed just a few more here. I grabbed Simo Cruise Ship. I've really been enjoying her clean scents, her spa, like earthy, not earthy, spa and clean scents lately, so I've been gravitating towards those. Sandalwood, Peppermint, Coconut Cream Pie from L3. This scent shot is broken, so I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and just use that. Invasion of the Body Snatchers, Waffle Cone, Butter Cookies, and Sweet Cream. Rainbow Melts, Dark Shadows, Raindrops, Ocean Mist, Sage, and Citrus. For saying I needed to grab more bakery, I did not do well. I'm realizing that now. Oh, I like this one. I feel like I did warm this one before, and I feel like the sage was a little strong in here, but I don't know. I'm going to try this one again. See how I like it. I did grab some Wolf Wicks Carnival Zoomies. I have a lot of scent shots from them, so I really need to get in there and start. I think I might do like the 2 cups in the kitchen together. I try to do that when I have like 2 of something. I'll put it in a bigger space so I can, you know, get a good scent throw. Grape Cigar. I thought this sounded good for the bedroom. This is one I never would have. I think this is a sample. Yeah, sample. The grape and cigar is actually quite good. So, all right. I have a little bit of this. I've had this bag forever. I sent some along to some friends. Pop Art by VCS. So this is lemon cake topped with sweet blackberry ice cream. This is those huge squares that she did. I don't know what I thought when I bought that. I was like, I don't know. I was telling my friend the other day, I was like, do you remember when we had those conversations about VCS restocks and you would always tell me, do you need to buy the loaf? Maybe wait for it to be poured in smaller quantities. And I was always like, no, I need the loaf. And then now I'm looking at my loaves and I'm like, ugh. So I told her, truer words have never been spoken. Bikini Bottom from Empire Alchemy. This is Pina Colada, Tropical Suntan Lotion, Papaya, Lemon Sugar. It's another summer blend. Have I won this yet? I don't think I have. It smells good though. So again, even with this basket, if I just like pick through things and I don't like it, then I'll just put it back. So no loss. I do like putting these in the bathroom, like these little sample sizes from Bathing Garden. I have quite a few. I have Orange Wood. I have Honeyed Toffee. I have a little mini cake of Sea of Tears. I have Salted Lavender. I'm going to be like Angie and just throw it. I have a Green and Sassy. The label's falling off on the back. Franken Strawberry. I've never been so excited to warm something in my life. This just smells so good. It's like I think it's supposed to be like the strawberry cereal. I don't know why that smells good. It just, and then candied rose and buttermilk. I love putting this one in the bathroom because I can't, this is one that I can't do through my house. I don't think, maybe I can. Have I had candied rose and buttermilk in a while? I don't know. Anyways, all right, so that is my new melting basket. I still have some of the old stuff. I'm gonna kind of pick through it and put some stuff back and just see like if I can keep working through it. But yeah, that is what I picked out. You know, honestly, I was just in my room last night just kind of looking through things, and that's just what I picked, even though I was trying to go for more bakery. But we'll see. We'll just try this and see how it goes. Anyways, I hope everyone is doing good. If you have something that you're melting this week that you really like, let me know in the comments. I always like to know what like you guys are melting or doing or whatever. So yeah, definitely let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.